Upgrading to replacement doors is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's appearance, comfort, and functionality. Whether you're replacing a worn-out entry door or updating interior or patio doors, understanding what to expect during the process can help you feel confident and prepared. From selection to installation, each step plays a role in ensuring you get the best results from your investment. The process typically begins with evaluating your current doors and identifying your needs. Homeowners often choose to upgrade because of issues like drafts, difficulty opening and closing, visible damage, or outdated design. At this stage, you'll consider what you want to improve, whether it's energy efficiency, security, style, or all of the above. This initial assessment helps guide your decisions moving forward. Next comes choosing the right type of replacement door. There are many options available, including entry doors, sliding patio doors, French doors, and interior doors. Each type serves a different purpose and offers unique benefits. For example, entry doors focus on security and curb appeal, while patio doors are designed to enhance natural light and provide easy access to outdoor spaces. Material selection is another important step. Modern replacement doors are commonly made from fiberglass, steel, wood, or composite materials. Fiberglass and steel are popular for their durability, low maintenance, and resistance to weather conditions. Wood offers a classic look but may require more upkeep. Choosing the right material ensures that your door performs well and fits your lifestyle. Design and customization are also key parts of the process. Replacement doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, finishes, and hardware options. You can select features like decorative glass, side lights, or unique panel designs to match your home's architecture. This is your opportunity to enhance your home's overall look while creating a door that reflects your personal style. Once your selections are finalized, the next step is professional measurement and preparation. Accurate measurements are critical to ensure the new door fits perfectly within the existing opening. A precise fit improves both performance and appearance, preventing issues like air leaks or misalignment. Professionals will also assess the surrounding structure to identify any repairs or adjustments needed before installation. The installation process itself is typically straightforward when handled by experienced professionals. It begins with the removal of the old door and frame, followed by preparation of the opening. This may include leveling the surface, reinforcing the frame, and ensuring proper alignment. The new door is then installed, secured, and sealed to create a tight fit. One of the most important aspects of installation is proper sealing and insulation. High-quality weather stripping and insulation materials are used to prevent air and moisture from entering your home. This step is essential for maximizing energy efficiency and maintaining indoor comfort. After installation, the finishing touches are completed. This includes installing hardware such as handles, locks, and hinges, as well as making any final adjustments to ensure smooth operation. The door is tested to confirm that it opens and closes properly and that all components are functioning as expected. Another benefit you can expect from upgrading is improved energy efficiency. Modern replacement doors are designed with insulated cores and tight seals that help regulate indoor temperatures. This reduces drafts and can lead to lower heating and cooling costs over time. Security is also enhanced with new doors. Many replacement options feature advanced locking systems and reinforced construction, providing better protection for your home and peace of mind for your family. In addition to performance benefits, replacement doors offer a noticeable improvement in comfort and convenience. A properly installed door operates smoothly, eliminates drafts, and helps create a quieter indoor environment by reducing outside noise. Maintenance is typically easier as well. Newer materials are designed to resist wear, fading, and weather damage, meaning you'll spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Finally, upgrading to replacement doors can increase your home's value and curb appeal. A new door creates a strong first impression and signals that your home is well maintained and updated. In the end, upgrading to replacement doors is a straightforward process that delivers lasting benefits. By understanding what to expect, from selection and installation to long-term performance, you can make informed decisions and enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and attractive home.